Hey guys, what is up? If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for joining my bike shorts series for the month of July. I decided that I just love bike shorts. They're so in. We can dress them up, we can dress them down, and they are just so comfortable, and they can look right. They can look beautiful if they are done right. So I wanted to grab some shorts from different places so that we can compare all of that. So I've done Walmart, I'm going to do Target, and I am doing Shein. We are going to look at those across the board and see which ones, if they are comparable in price, in quality, and in style. If you are interested in all of that, then please continue watching. Hey guys, so I wanted to share some bike shorts with you from Shein. Now, I hope you didn't miss the Hot Girl Summer Shein haul video. That one was just a really fun use of color. I saw some really cute crop tops that I wasn't sure were going to work for me or not, but still wanted to share them with you guys so that if you are mid-sized and curvy, then you can get an idea of how they may look on you and what the quality is. So for reference, I am 5 feet tall. I am 32 around the waist, which is equivalent to about a size 14. I am a 36 around here, and I am in a large to extra large on top and bottom, depending on brand and sizing. This is a cute top that I got from Shein as well. I really love this one. It's super comfortable and fits well paired with jeans. But let's go ahead and... Now, this one's a little bit unfair. It's not all from Shein. This is a Walmart top that's ruched on the side, and I shared that in the Walmart haul. It's a super cute piece, goes with a lot of stuff. These are Shein shorts, and I thought that this print was so adorable. I think it's a cow print, and I am totally here for it. Now, I do like animal print if we can get it right. Sometimes it may not look well with how we pair it, so I did decide to pair it with this loose fitting shirt to give you an idea of how to make something like this work. So this is such a pretty piece. It is actually a very light pink color. I'm not sure if you can tell that on film or on camera, but it's really pretty, very light, just like a light pink color. I keep saying that same thing over again. So we're gonna go ahead and try these pieces on. Alright guys, this is a favorite of mine. I think it is so adorable. I love this. This material it does remind me of the Walmart super soft material that they have. I really like that. And it is just so cute with this ruche detail right here. I think it's the perfect combo for a printed bottom. It keeps it toned down so we're not drawing all of our attention to the midsection or like the booty section. It just definitely gives it that nice balance. At least I think so. And I am wearing them with my pink Vans. Now these would look super adorable with the Walmart version of the Vans. They are a black pair of shoes. I will try and put them here if I find them. And again, as always, everything will be linked down below that I share, whether it be from Walmart or Shein or wherever. But this is one of my favorite outfits right now. It is so comfortable and so flattering on the midsection. So there is that piece. Now the next one is a really fun one as well. It is these really cute pink shorts. Now these are a little bit shorter than the regular bike shorts. I think these are like a shorty or something like that. These are gonna go really cute with this. This is a crop top windbreaker jacket, and I just thought it was so cute, so adorable, so affordable. This jacket was only $12. I had to get my hands on it. Now, I think it will look extremely cute together. And then we will pair it with this tie-dye pink shirt. And we will, I'm thinking maybe I'll tie it on the side. We'll see. Let me try that on. So first of all, I want to show you how I did this outfit with the top and the shorts. So the shorts are really not too short. They are just a little bit above my fingertips, but I'm okay with that. They're not too short by any means. They definitely go well below the booty part. Then I did take this tie-dye shirt and I just pulled it to the side and tied a knot to give it kind of that 80s style vibe, and it still looks very cute and very flattering to the figure. I am still wearing that with my pink Vans. I do think they'll look good with, again, the same Walmart ones or something similar off of Shein. So now I want to take this cute, this really pretty windbreaker and show you how we can make this look really cute as well. Alright, so here is with the windbreaker on. The idea that I had in my head was for, if you had a sports bra underneath and then you had these shorts, this would definitely cover that up and it would still be a very cute outfit. I love this. I think it is so adorable and I like it the way that I have paired it. I still think that it gives it a cute vibe. That, like, this is a look, you guys. This is a thing and I am all here for it. It's super adorable. Again, this was only $12 and I am just in love with this outfit. So the next outfit I have, of course, is this electrifying neon green color. It's a cute t-shirt that says "Be Beautiful," so I think it's very appropriate and fitting. And of course, we had to find the matching shorts to go with it. Now, this is such a fun outfit. I can't wait to try this one on. Alright, you guys, I'm pretty sure that I look like a tennis ball, but I am all here for it. I love this color right now. It is so cute. And of course, I did spill some water on the t-shirt while I was getting this on. I did tie it up here like I did the last one. I just think it looks so cute when it's tied to, like, I prefer it tied to the side. You can tie it in the front. And then here are the shorts. I just really like the shorts. There are no pockets, so that's the downside, but I do love the green stitching on these. And then I paired them with these black Shein shoes. I will link them down below if they're still available. For a couple of years, so we may not find them online, but I think they look really cute. I do feel like I'm about to play tennis or wall ball or something like that, but still thought it was a very cute casual outfit and a way to dress up these shorts. Super cute. They had a lot of this color online, so you don't have to do this shirt. You can do something different or whatever, but again, I am just here for this color and I am loving it. Alright, this is a very nice quality material as well. A lot of times on Shein they will have like the dry fit type material, but this, all of the shirts that I'm sharing with you, they are all cotton, 100% cotton. They don't have that dry fit or like spandex feel. I'm sure they do have a little bit of spandex, but they're, for the majority, what I'm trying to say is that they are all cotton. So then the next outfit that I have to share with you guys is just a plain light pink or blush colored top with the gray and pink stitching here. Now, I really thought these were a cute set because they do have a cell phone pocket here. We're gonna have to see if that, I don't know if that's gonna fit all cell phones or what. They don't have side pockets. Now, let's go ahead and see. Oh, it sure does fit that in there. So there's the cell phone in the pocket. I'm gonna see what it does when we wear it. I don't know. So let's go ahead and try this set on. Alright, here is how this looks, the blush shirt with the gray and pink leggings, or shorts, I'm sorry. Now this one I just left down. I think this one looks super cute and casual and dressed up just as it is. You could do, you could tie it up like we were, but this one I just thought it particularly looked cute as it was. You can kind of, pull it forward there a little bit. And the cell phone in the pocket does actually seem very secure. I'm not sure if you can see that. I do like these. These are very nice. Very super cute. Again, I'm just here and loving these bike short outfits and, feeling good and comfortable and confident in these type of things. The last outfit I have for you, of course, is my favorite color of short. Now, I found the Walmart ones, so I am going to give these ones a try. And we have the watermelon red top as well. We're going to try it from Shein and see what we think. Both of these were in a Walmart haul. I didn't pair them together, but they are in that video, so make sure that you check that video out. Alright, here is the watermelon red top and the neon pink shorts. Now, I do like this outfit. This is very comfortable. I was hoping it'd be a little bit more monochromatic than it is. The colors are just a tad bit off. I did kind of know that, knowing that this is like neon pink and watermelon red, but I still wanted to try it out as an outfit. And also, I do want to let you guys know this is very comparable to the Walmart brand No Boundaries. So, like I said, I did try out the same color top and the exact same color shorts in my Walmart haul. I'm going to put a clip here of each of those because I did pair them separately with a different outfit. I do think the comfort and quality feels exactly the same. So if you couldn't find your size at Walmart, know that Shein is also an option. The only thing that I find with these is that the shorts, they don't have the pocket and they are just a tad bit sheer. I don't know if you can see the tag here in my shorts, in my breeches, but I do think that the quality and the comfort is identical to Walmart, so that is something that I was really curious about and interested in and wanted to share with you guys. Very comfortable outfit. I hope that you enjoyed this haul and all the other hauls. I will link whatever I can for you to click on next, and I will link everything I can in the bottom below. I hope that you will subscribe, stay tuned, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys. Have a great rest of your week. Bye!